Be plenty of things.
These buttons don't stick out. Oh, it's messed up. That's why. The buttons kind of messed up. Wow. Oh my god. Honestly, spam it all you want. I have no problem. Oh, look at the firefighter's call cancel. Button for non-service.
I was gonna say that. Like,
Does not light up.
Going up the
What floor?
11.
I think it needs a key card.
Oh.
It needs like a key card. Which we don't have either. Are you getting out, Tyler? Or?
I'm going up.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think you have to hold it until it flashes green.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Unless it's just not. Oh, there
There
you
we
go.
are. I appreciate that.
No problem.
Have a good view up there?
I don't know. I've not been. Take care.
Same to you.
Thank you.
Thanks again.
Here's the fire map. Can we get a view? Oh, we can. Let's see. Oh, wow. God, the views in this city are just insane. What a gorgeous, gorgeous city. That's awesome. Anyway, back down we go. It's a very wide exit sign. Button for non-service floor does not light up. I think I know who this is. Oh, hello.
this one's unlocked.
Look, this has an Adams key switch. Or they all do.
Yeah, this one's unlocked.
Oh, good to know. Perfect.
3.
Yeah, these cabs are insane. Well, I'm gonna get copyrighted here. I love these. These have different brails than the normal Mitsubishi
Yeah.
ones.
They might have been added on. I don't know.
Oh,
That's all I did.
oh, that is a handset.
One up? Yep. Which one are you going? 3. Ready? 3. Oh, 3.
Yeah, Tyler. Sorry. You should be. We just like architecture, that's why we're filming.
That's fucking good.
Take care.
Bye, you too.
Thank you.
No, they could just keep the music off for a little bit longer.
Oh, look, it's got like Just kidding.
Incense.
Yeah. I don't know. Like some sort of air freshener.
I don't know why.
Alright,
And then you
and
guys can get out.